Let's whip up the ultimate Jasmine Green Tea delight. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect cup of Jasmine Green Tea. Open the tea bag and place it in a cup. Please use water at 100 degrees Celsius. Caution! Beware of the scalding steam. Set my timer for 2 minutes. And start. Okay, 2 minutes is up. Now immediately take out your tea bag. Do not bounce it. Just place it right on there. There you go. The perfect cup of Jasmine Green Tea. Check out the color. Like and subscribe to my channel at Teacher Sam 101.